Smart TV. I'm Emily Halder, and on this episode, we're going to be doing the educational approach. The first thing you do for the educational approach is make sure you have curricular goals. You need to design a curriculum to develop the child's actual and potential abilities. You need to differentiate the curriculum on a child's recognized strengths. There are 3 features for a curriculum. 1, based on learning characteristics of academically talented students in their areas of strength. 2, processing academic rigor. And 3, thematic and interdisciplinary. There are also acceleration and enrichment. Acceleration is the pace at which a student moves through the curriculum, and enrichment is studying at a greater depth than the general education program. There are 18 types of acceleration. Another approach to the educational curriculum is lesson plans. Curriculum compacting, which is accelerating enrichment and counseling within a continuum of service options for individuals with gifts and talents. There's 3 steps to doing curriculum compacting. They are access the target content area, determine which content is to be eliminated, and thirdly, substitute more appropriate content. There are also tiered lessons. They're the same basic lesson plan, but when you get split up into groups, you are split up into difficulties like low, medium, and high. There's also Bloom's taxonomy, which are educational objectives for lesson plans. They are knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. Another approach would be to use outside the classroom resources, such as mentors, special courses, junior grade books, summer programs, international experience, and anything else that could help enrich your child. There are also 3 models and methods for the educational approach. There are the SEMs, which are the school-wide enrichment programs. They place kids into tiers. There is also the model's active problem-solving model and the problem-based learning model.
There are a few steps teachers need to follow for the SEM model. 1. Test to see if the students are eligible for gifted and talented. 2. Figure out student interest. And 3. Use the 3 levels of enrichment activities. Type 1, general exploratory. Type 2, purposefully designed instruction methods and materials. And 3, advanced level studies with greater depth and complexity. In the Maker's Active Problem Solver model, there are 4 modifications. 1. Content modifications, which are basically the curriculum that is being taught. 2. Process modifications, the strategies and methods used to teach content. 3. Product modifications, the outcomes of the methods and materials being taught. And 4. The environmental modifications, which is the setting in which the students are being taught. The last model is the problem-based learning model. Students are challenged to learn. They work in groups. There are specialized units of study. It is a discipline-based model, and it can be used in all classroom settings, not just the gifted and talented.